Mailchimp is a web-based application, so you don't need to download any software. It's all done directly from your dashboard. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through setting up your free Mailchimp account and creating your first email list. Are you ready? Just before we get going, if you need to pause this video, get a lemonade or a snack, please feel free. Just pause and press play again when you're ready. This course is going to be a fun learning adventure. So we'll head to mailchimp.com, and once you're there, you want to click on sign up free. You now want to enter your email address, a username, and then a password. Make sure to take note of these and then click on Get Started. Now you'll get a message which tells you to check your email and click on Activate to finish setting up your account. So head to your emails now and do that. So here's my email and I'll click on that, and then all you do is click on Activate Account. Then confirm you're not a robot by just clicking here. The next few steps will be setting up your account and profile. So just fill in the information like your name, your business name, your address, and whether your business sells anything online, and an option to connect your social media. Again, if you need to, just pause the video and play when you're ready. Now just click on Let's Go to finish setting up. And then you'll come to this screen and a little pop-up comes up. So then click on Onward to close this pop-up window. Alright, great, you've now got your Mailchimp account. This is your dashboard where you can see everything happening with your email campaigns and your subscribers. Now, it might look a bit empty at the moment because you haven't got anything here. We haven't set any lists or campaigns up yet. By the way, the difference between a list and a campaign is that a list is the subscribers that have opted in to your lead magnet or the amazing offer on your website. They've submitted their information to you, which then goes into a list here on Mailchimp. A campaign is the actual emails that are sent to the people on that list. It's the updates and it's the reminders, and it's getting your content in front of your audience again. It's keeping the conversation going. At the top, you've got some drop downs to quickly access different parts of your Mailchimp, such as your campaigns, templates, lists, and so on. So in this next step, you'll be creating your first email list, which is a place where you keep all the subscribers who opted in to your lead magnet or any other offer you might have going. You then use this list to send out your email campaigns. So to start, click on Create a List. You can also import subscribers if you already have a list, which I'm going to be showing you how to do in a moment. So now all you do is fill out a few pieces of information to do with your list. So give your new list a name. This could be anything you want, but make it relatable to what people are signing up for so you know which list is for what. So for example, I'll make this list for our lead magnet here, a free cheat sheet which is full of tips and tricks to a successful online business that people can receive in return for their email address. So when people opt in for this and enter their email address, it will automatically be added to the list I'm creating in Mailchimp. Okay, so this enables us to keep the conversation going with someone. Now we have their information. We can keep our products and our services in front of them and keep building that relationship with them. That's why this is so powerful. Okay, great. Next is a default from email address. And this is going to be the address that is used to send emails from. Also, enter a default from name and then write a short sentence to remind people how or why they signed up to your list. Now scroll down, and I'm going to leave these options here because I don't want to be notified every time someone signs up to my list. Because your inbox will get full pretty quickly if you have hundreds or perhaps thousands of subscribers signing up to your list. Now click on Save and you're done. How easy was that? You've now got your first email list inside Mailchimp and you're ready to start collecting emails. So this page is inside your list, and when you've got subscribers, you'll see them here. You've got some drop downs up here, such as statistics, manage contacts, add contacts, sign up forms, and remember I said that you can upload subscribers that you've already got? Well, you can do that by clicking here and using a CSV file. If you don't have any contacts yet, don't worry, because the next step is to create your sign up form, which is going to be super fun and easy to do. It's basically drag and drop and customizing the design to how you want so it fits with your brand.